Yo, what's up everyone? Jackie YBT here. Finally, the A36 is here in Malaysia. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. It's been 6 days after my A56 video release. Same with the A26 5G. We'll cover that in the next video. First thing, when I hold it, I can feel the material is different because it's plastic. Samsung did a good job on making the side matte finish. So from far it looks like metal, but it's actually not. So the side is using the plastic frame and plastic bag. As for the glass protection used on the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, same as the Galaxy A56 5G. It also has IP67 water and dust resistant. You can submerge the phone up to 1.5 meters deep for maximum 1 hour. Same as the A56, it has the same design treatment from the back of the phone and the side. It looks exactly the same. Besides, they're using A36 is using the plastic 7.4 mm of thickness and 195 grams of weight. So it's thinner and lighter than last year model. 0.8 millimeter thinner than the last year A35 and around 9 to 10 grams lighter, if I'm not mistaken. 6.7 inches. So display is also 0.1 inches larger than the last year A35. The bezel is slightly thinner, but it still has uneven bezel design. They could have made it even. So the bottom is larger than the top, the side also different size. Same resolution as before, Full HD Plus. Super AMOLED, 120Hz. Peak brightness, they improve a bit by 200 nits, so 1200 nits peak brightness. For the processor, it is using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. Finally, they're using a Qualcomm chipset instead of Exynos. And for the color wise, this is the Awesome Lavender, same naming scheme. Awesome everywhere. Awesome lavender, awesome white, awesome lime, and awesome black. The black one is the most muted color out of these 4 colors, and the rest of the color you will have like very interesting rainbow reflection tone underneath, depending on the direction you're pointing to. As you can see, it's like multiple colors in one color. Yeah, if that makes sense. So this is lavender, very muted kind of lavender. It's very light compared to the last year one is more vibrant. This year they tone it down and make it more lighter. Same camera design as the A56. They call it the linear camera design. With a LED flash beside. So it's triple camera system. The first one will be the wide angle lens 50 megapixel. And the ultra wide angle lens 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel macro lens. You also can go up to 10 times digital zoom. Front facing camera, 12 megapixel. No autofocus, no OIS. You can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second on the rear side. They downgraded ultra wide angle lens from 12 to 8. I'm referring to the A56 and the A36. That's the difference in terms of the camera. Of course, you get AI, but it's not Galaxy AI. You get awesome intelligence, same as the A56 and A26, except that you don't get the exclusive feature on the A56. There's certain feature that you need to get the A56 in order to enjoy it. I already mentioned that in my A56 video, so you guys can go check it out. So basically, you get the basic one, circle to search, my filters, edit suggestions, and object eraser. Same as the A56, you get at least 6 times of OS upgrade and 6 years of software security update. So that's great. Comes with Android 15, the latest Android 15 with One UI 7. And battery life is 29 hours of playback time. Kind of huge improvement compared to A35, which is only 26 hours of video playback time. Same capacity as before, 5000 mAh, And the fast charging is something really interesting. This phone, which costs around 1,699 ringgit, it has 45 watts fast charging. Remember that not even the S25 getting the 45 watts fast charging. The S25 only has 25 watts of charging, and that phone costs about 4K Malaysia ringgit. So I don't know why Samsung do this. It's kind of bizarre to me. Last but not least, the pricing. There's two storage and RAM configuration, the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage, or the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. 6 plus 128 is 1,499 ringgit, and for the 12 plus 256 is 1,699 ringgit. But because right now Samsung is doing promotion, so both of the storage and RAM configuration have 200 ringgit discount. That will be 1,299 and 1,499 ringgit. So I'm back from the mall. Now I'm at my home. Thanks for watching, guys. That's about it. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down the comment section below. And I'm gonna edit this video now. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.